First adverb to cover based on time, pamanahon. Nagluto si nanay kahapon. Mother cooked yesterday. This adverb is based on place, panlunan. Nag-aral ako sa paaralan. I studied at school.
This adverb is based on manner, papaharan. Tumako siya ng mabilis. He, she ran quickly. This adverb is based on pang-agam, doubt. Baka umulan mamaya. Maybe it will rain later. This adverb is based on panangaywan. Affirmation, tunay na madalit si Rosa. Rosa is truly kind. Huwag kang tumako rinto. Do not run here. Kaukit lang ang pagkain namin. We only have a little food. This adverb is based on enclitic particles. Kumakain pa siya. He, she is still eating.
Verb plus place, panlunan, sa equals general place, kay equals with slash. To a person, sa itaas, slash sa ilalim, slash sa loob, equals location words.
Pamanahon, dot the time, common examples kahapon, yesterday, bukas, tomorrow, mamaya, later ngayon, now slash today, tuwing Pasko, every Christmas, tuwing Lunes, every Monday.
Pamaraan, manner. Common examples ng mabilis. Quickly mahusay, skillfully slash well pasigaw, shouting ng dahan-dahan, slowly ng tahimik, quietly. Pang-agam, doubt. Common examples, baka, maybe slash, perhaps. Siguro, probably slash maybe. Marahil, perhaps. Tila, seems slash apparently. Panang-ayon, affirmation, common examples. Oo, yes, tunay, truly, talaga, really slash truly. Walang duda, without a doubt. Tiyak, certainly slash surely. Pananggi, negation. Common examples, hindi, not slash no. Ayaw, do not want. Huwag gani don't. Command slash prohibition. Wala, none slash there is no. Panggaano, degree. Common examples, kaunti. Little slash few, marami. Many slash a lot. Sapat, enough. Masyado, too much. Lubha, extremely. Enclitic, particles. Common examples, pa, still slash, yet slash more. Raw slash daw, reportedly slash they say. Din slash ren, also slash to. Lang slash lamang, only slash just. Muna, for now, slash first.